Okay guys, do you want to tell us about what you've been working on?
Yeah, so yesterday we started off by having the idea of having our robot be a teacher in a classroom. And so they would have the ability to look at the classroom and see who's asking questions, and also at the same time be able to check if students are misbehaving. So the first way we tried to implement that is by using a heuristic approach, by taking an image, having GPT describe what it's seeing, and using a keyword matcher to try to find how that worked. Well, we figured that solution is actually not that good, and so we had to try to pivot our idea a bit. And we decided today to focus on just being able to detect when a student is asking a question, and they would be able to do that by using by also taking a picture and then using a different AI to see what's happening.
So we decided on using CV2 and we got the video out from the Mirokai and passed it back to the Python code. And then using that, we used pre-trained models to detect whether any of the students were either raising their hands or whether they were not paying attention, and then we allowed Mirokai to react accordingly.
The way we were able to determine was because we were able to see the relative position of a person's nose to their chin, and we were to see which direction they were facing. And if you were facing the Mirokai's camera, that's how you know they'd pay attention. And we also saw there are loads of AI that are pre-trained to see the state of someone's hand. So you've seen robots that are controlled by people doing this. So you can simply see the ratio of where their hand's position is, where their face position is. And you can see if that means they're raising their hand. And then Mirokai will see if someone's raising their hand, and then they'll ask, what is your question? That's basically it.
Any questions?
Interesting approach, really interesting. Did it run in the simulator?
So we had some interesting tests with the simulator because we weren't able to use the camera feature properly.
Right.
And so we tested it again only a couple hours ago, and we ran into the issue where
we actually changed the approach from obtaining image by purely using CV2.
Yeah.
so we tried to get the image data from the Mirokai function, but then we had to try backtracking and using OpenAI's camera function instead. And we saw that probably would work, but we didn't have enough time to test it.
Okay. Good try, guys. Interesting approach. Trying to imagine if I was in class and I was covered off by a robot and not paying attention. Possibly scary as being told off by a kid. Really interesting, guys. Thank you. Certainly food for thought. Anybody else got any questions for these guys?
Thank you very much.
Cheers, guys. Thank you.